Alright guys, today we'll be looking at some past paper questions and there are equations. So I'll pick up a different types of equations and hope you guys will learn from this. Now the first one says 2x is equal to 6. What this means is 2 times 6 is equal to 6. So we're supposed to find what number, we multiply the number by 2, we get 6. That one is pretty straightforward. So we find the inverse, which is divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. So therefore x is equal to 3. And see there, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Alright, let's just look on this one. This one is a linear also. So first thing we do, let us talk in reality what it means. It means 6 times a number. After you get the product, you subtract 3 and your answer must be 27. Now in order to show working, we find the inverse of negative 3, which is plus 3. What you do to one side, you do to both sides. So we are left with 27 plus 3, that is 30. And then we divide by 6 because this is times, so we divide by 6. What you do to one side, we do to both sides. 30 divided by 6, 5. 6, 5 is 30 minus 3, the answer will be 27. Alright, this one is also linear, but it's a little bit different. Because what we need to do, we need to group like terms. So we have 4x over here and 2x, we need to group the x's then. But in order to do that, we need to take away 2x from this side, because this is a positive 2x, so we subtract 2x from here. But we do to one side, we do to both sides. So here we have negative 9. Now what we need to do is to get rid of this plus 5, right? So we take the inverse of plus 5, which is minus 5. We do to one side, we do to both sides. So we're left with this 4x minus 2x equal negative 9 minus 5. This will give us 2x and this will give us negative 14. Because both of them are negative, we add them. So we can now divide by 2. So x is equal to negative 7. And that would be the answer. Alright, this one involves a bracket. Now, if you're new to the channel, you might not know. Bracket means to multiply. So we're going to multiply both terms by 2. So it will be 2 times x, 2x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. At this point, we can say that it's similar to this one. So all we have to do is get rid of this negative 10 by adding 10, take the inverse. So we are left with 2x. 20 plus 10 is 30. Now we're saying 2 times a number is equal to 30. What is that number? It can only be 15. Alright. For this one now, what we need to do is to find the lowest common multiple and multiply each term by it, right? So the lowest common multiple of 3, 2. You can put this over 1 to make you feel comfortable. Why I did that, some students constantly make a mistake if they multiply the denominator, the LCM by these two but not by this. So the LCM of 3, 2 and 1 would be 6. So we can multiply each by 6 on this to balance the equation. What we do to one side, we do to both sides. 3 into itself 1, 3 into 6, 2. Expand the bracket now to 2x plus 10. By now, everyone should be comfortable with this. Plus 12 is equal to 60. Now, all we have to do is to group like terms. So it will be 2x, this is a plus 6x, plus 6x, plus 10, plus 12 equals 60. Let's tidy up now. 8x plus 22 is equal to 60. So we're going to subtract 22 from this side, as we want to get x by itself, right? So we subtract 22, we do to one side, we do to both sides. So we have 8x equal to 60 minus 22. Now 2 from 0 leave, 2 from 10 leave 8, 2 from 5 leave 3. So we have 38. So we can just divide this by 8 now. 8 4 is 32, remainder 4 over 8. And this is the same thing as 4 and a half. No, 8 4 is 32, so that will be 6 over 8. And we can reduce it to 4 and 2 over 3, or 4.66. So x is equal to 4.66. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I don't have any question now, alright? But follow up, there will come question.